Let's have a discussion about why your 50-page IT policy is actually your biggest security liability. So, 15 plus years in risk management has taught me that static PDFs are where security goes to die. If no one reads them, they don't stop threats. At 2-in-1 Security Group, we replace those paperweights with smart policies that's built on the three A's. Let's talk about it. The first one is accessible. Can your team get a policy answer in 3 seconds via a smart bot? Actionable. Do they know exactly what to do, not just what's forbidden? And automated. Does it update as fast as the threats evolve? So ask yourself, is your policy in a box or is it in your pocket? Visit us at www.2in1securitygroup.com to see how we can help turn policies into actual resilience. We can help you spin up a policy on demand to match your business operations. Check us out to learn more.